Hi, how are you? Come on. Come on, Fiona. Come on.
Oh my goodness.
Say hi.
Aren't you just the cutest thing? Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. She's gonna tie. Oh goodness. Oh. Yeah.
How much does it say? 26 pounds. She's being lazy.
Dad, do you remember me? I remember you too. Look at you guys.
She's 26 pounds. How much was he? 23 or 24 pounds?
Wow, you guys are growing so fast.
Yeah, they're getting big.
Yes, they are. Well, good luck to you because they're only going to keep growing.
Yeah, I know. Thank you.